Hi, Dawn Stensland-Menti, and welcome to Ryland's Room. She's an ordinary American girl with an extraordinary bedroom. Look at this. She lives like a princess. What's amazing about this room is that Ryland's mommy's special skill set makes it all happen for free.
It's a great way to make extra money. It pays for my Christmas every year, it pays for my kids' clothes, it pays for all their toys, and it's fun.
Supermom Megan Morris has it all. By day, she's a career woman with a corporate job. By dinner time, she's a mother of four who loves her family, her hubby, and her hobby.
People make $100,000. You can. It just takes organization and time, and you have to love shopping.
Not retail, but bargain shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, and giant warehouse sales like this one, called Just Between Friends, a growing trend across America during this tough economy.
It's amazing. The process of that sale still amazes me, that all of these moms come together. All of the workers are volunteers. So they set up the whole sale. Everyone brings in their stuff. Everyone's a consignor. They're all selling their own things. You take all the stuff, you lay it all out, you hang it up in the right area. So if it's a 4T, it's here. If it's an 8 boys, it's there. You put all your stuff out yourself. Then you shop you work the sale. So you do the cash register, you help people, you become a store employee for a week.
Morris showed me some of her latest treasures, which she's selling on eBay. Dolls that cost her a few dollars will sell for hundreds. This crocheted designer shirt from a thrift store cost her a couple bucks. It's already sold at a sweet $50 profit. Seasonal items like this Easter dress will net a profit of at least $40. What's this eBay mom's secret to success?
You can't rack up negative feedbacks, so you have to ship on time, in a timely manner. It has to be a clean thing. It can't smell weird.
For the past decade, she has paid pennies on the dollar for her children's toys and designer wardrobes. Her son Jack laces up his $250 name brand gym shoes, which his mom got for just 10 bucks. Morris has become an expert on eBay's hottest selling collectibles, dolls that don't go to her 3 young daughters.
So nice.
Like this designer doll, inspired by Lucy's famous chocolate factory job. Morris's $10 find makes her love Lucy even more.
And I love her because she's worth $250. Not a doll person, but she's fantastic.
Fantastic eBay earnings of nearly 20 grand a year. For Another Thing, I'm Dawn Stensland-Menti.